Choose your action.
Watch where you're going, you jerk! You made me spill my coffee!
Coffee? Look at what you did to my phone!
Choose your action.
Watch where you're going, you jerk! You made me spill my coffee!
Sorry about your coffee, but look at my phone. I just got this thing. God dang it. Yeah, I'm angry about the phone, but it's not you. It's the phone. I just got this thing, and you know, I'm trying to handle my anger better. And in the past, we'd be going at it right now, but I don't want to do that. We're going to do it different.
You know, I respect that. I should try to do the same. I'm sorry about your phone. Good luck with that.
Thanks. You need it. It's hard.
What you just saw is about emotional intelligence, being smart with our feelings. We have thoughts, we have feelings, and they're ours. They give us choices if we can be responsible, and we can know that they are inside of us. Nobody makes us angry out there. No matter what's happening outside, nobody makes us angry. We make ourselves angry or not. It's up to us. So it's about being smart, and it gives us choices. We don't learn this stuff in school, so if you want some help with it, we can help. If you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling like your emotions aren't working for you, they're working against you, if you don't feel in control of yourself and what's happening inside of you, come to a workshop. In an intensive weekend, we can change things for you. So March 15th through 17th, Fresno, California, join us.